A lot of people, myself included, are wondering how to do a screen recording on a Samsung phone like this. And the short and honest answer is that you can't. It used to be an option, which is why there's all these instructions online how to find or add the screen recording button into your controls here. But with the current version of Android and Samsung's One UI, it simply is not an option. No idea why they removed it, but that's where we're at. What you can do is to go to the Play Store and install the third-party app for screen recording. I tried a few of these and they were absolute garbage. Full of ads, a limited free trial before having to pay, horrible and complicated UI, difficult to use, just a complete mess. So that's your only option, or find a phone that has a good built-in screen recording feature. I'm hoping Samsung will add it back because it's such a basic feature on modern phones, but until they change it, you're kinda out of luck. Hope that clears it for everyone wondering where the button is. If you know a good third-party screen recording app, give me some suggestions in the comments. I know there's a lot of people looking for these.